Kannada superstar Puneeth Rajkumar's mortal remains are in Kantirava studios and his final rites will be performed shortly. Remember, on Saturday we saw dignitaries including Chief Minister Bommai, Prabhu Deva, also Governor Gehlot paying their respects to the Sandalwood star. Now, the 46-year-old actor, known for films such as Appu, Veera Kannadiga and Maurya, died in a hospital following a heart attack, and we've been taking you through the voices that we've been picking up ever since. He was known to be a fitness enthusiast. He was rushed to Vikram Hospital after he complained of chest pain following a workout in the gym itself. Let me quickly go across to Aneri as she's been tracking the latest from Kantirava Stadium, where his final rites will be performed, and we've been seeing, Aneri, the kind of fan following the power star enjoys, essentially, given the number of people who are making their way into the stadium to just catch a last glimpse of Puneeth. What is it that you're picking up, the sentiments around you, and what are we expecting shortly as far as the last rites are concerned?
Well, Christine, we are here at the Kantirava studio where the state honor is being performed for the late actor Puneeth Rajkumar, who passed away on Friday afternoon after he suffered from an cardiac arrest, and also later we had seen that his mortal remains were shifted to his residence, and after which it was kept open for the citizens, as he has a huge fan following, let it be in the south and also in the Sandalwood film industry. Well, definitely a big shock to the film industry across, let it be Bollywood or Tollywood. And yes, definitely state honor is being given to Puneeth Rajkumar. As you can see, the family members of Puneeth Rajkumar are here, along with the Chief Minister of Karnataka, Basmaraj Bommai, and former Chief Minister of Karnataka, Yediyurappa, is also here, and many other celebrities of the Tollywood industry and other actors are here at the funeral, at the state honor which has been performed here at the Kantirava studios here in Bengaluru. Well, yes, definitely a big void to the film industry, because Puneeth Rajkumar was one of the finest mans, is what many of the actors have been telling. And also at the same time we have been seeing that the final rites will be performed and Puneeth Rajkumar will be laid to rest by 10 a.m. today, and after which we have been seeing many massive footfall coming for the late actor Puneeth Rajkumar, who is now being given the state honor here at the Kantirava studio. Well, definitely they have been waiting for his daughter yesterday, and so as she arrived last evening at the stadium directly from the US, and now the state honor is being performed to the late actor. As you can see, many other celebrities and all are here, along with the government officials, and Chief Minister of Karnataka, former Chief Minister of Karnataka is also here.
Keep talking to us, Aneri. We want to keep up with these visuals and how this is such a big loss for the entire country. Of course, to the film industry and Sandalwood in particular. But yes, we're talking about a person who was a fitness enthusiast and gone too soon, Aneri, just 46-year-old.
That's right, Christine. As the state honor is being performed for the late actor, we see a massive crowd outside the studios as well, where people have been waiting for the last glimpse. Well, thousands of people came here at the Kantirava studio, and also at the same time we see that officials here are performing the last performing the last rites. Sagai, tell us, how has been the journey of late actor Puneeth Rajkumar?
So if you notice, Puneeth Rajkumar is one of the biggest stars of Karnataka, and according to people and critics, they have never seen these kind of people coming from all pockets of Karnataka and reaching Bengaluru. And even today, in the fear of public gathering this particular area, they started the last journey of Punit Rajkumar around 4:30 a.m. And in fact, they had announced to the media stating that they will start around 6:30 and he will be laid to rest around 10 o'clock. And there was also a 3 days ritual which was being supposed to be done today. Keeping all those things in mind, they have moved the body, moved the mortal remains around 4:30 a.m. and the roads were empty, and even there were very less public, which was able to move the mortal remains very smoothly to the Kantirava studio. And next to this particular grave, there is a mortal remains of former actor and his father, Dr. Rajkumar, in the same area. The Karnataka government had granted permission to lay down the mortal remains of Punit Rajkumar here, and probably they might build a big grave here for a late actor Punit Rajkumar. In the visuals you can see former Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa, Basavaraj Bommai, Sandalwood actor Yash, and several other people are part of the final rites of late actor Punit Rajkumar. Punit Rajkumar enjoys a huge fan following across the country, especially in Karnataka. People have not slept from last 2 nights. Everybody is coming, even if they would have kept the mortal remains today for the public viewing, and there might have been huge gathering. In order to avoid any kind of law and order situation in the city and state, they have moved the mortal remains early in the morning around 4:30, and even the Chief Minister had reached, and we have also seen that Punit Rajkumar, who was a national award winner, was given a state honor by Karnataka government. As we speak now, the mortal remains will be laid down in Kantirava studio.
Visuals we are picking up from the Kantirava studios in Bengaluru, where Punit Rajkumar's last rites are currently underway, and the superstar's sudden demise has shaken up the world of showbiz. And for everyone who did get a chance to interact with him on a personal level, also saying that this unfortunate incident is no less than a nightmare. Sagai Raj and Aneri, my colleagues, continue to report non-stop from the Kantirava studios in Bengaluru. Sagai Raj, you know, everyone is saying that someone who was so fit, young, productive in his creative life as well, to be just gone one fine morning is like a bad dream, and that is getting reflected in the number of people who are essentially present there to say goodbye to him one last time.
Absolutely. There are saying that people say that when the good deeds and the good work, people say that your good deed and good work is reflected when people throng at you, especially during your funeral. That is clearly visible in the funeral of late actor Punit Rajkumar. Lakhs together people had come here, and these are not paid fan followers like politicians, where you get people for their campaign, for the rallies. People have spent money. They travelled all the way from all pockets of Karnataka and reached Bengaluru, and they wanted to get the last glimpse of their favorite actor Punit Rajkumar. Even now as I speak, there are lakhs of people who are waiting outside the studio to get their glimpse, and at least to pay the last tribute once all the final rituals of the actor gets completed in Kantirava studio. You can see here, this is the final ritual of the family members. Family members are completely shattered. Everybody are in a pool of water, and they are unable to bear the loss of their family member. And you can see he was just 46 years old, who was a fitness enthusiast, and he was always into health. He never ever missed a single day without starting working out in his gym. He always posted videos on social media. People used to appreciate his lifestyle. He always had very good lifestyle and very good food habits. That's how he had kept himself fit. But it is quite unfortunate that nothing has helped him when he had suffered a cardiac arrest. You can see in the visuals his family members, his brothers, his friends are here to pay the final tributes and complete the rituals of their family members. It is a decorated flower chariot where his body has been laid down, and his brother Raghavendra Rajkumar, Shivraj Kumar, and his relatives and his wife and sister-in-law are at the chariot to perform the final rituals according to their Hindu practice. And apart from that, you can see his personal bodyguard who is sitting next to the mortal remains, and he is in tears. He was a person who took Puneet Rajkumar on the day when he collapsed in the clinic. And what we get to learn through the family sources is, on the day when he got a cardiac arrest, in the morning he went out for a normal walk, and we came back, there was some kind of uneasiness, he reported, and immediately he was taken to his family doctor, and he is Dr. Ramaneshri in Sadashiv Nagar, where he was being undergone ECG test, BP as well as sugar test. Everything was normal according to that particular doctor, but he came back home, but still he felt that uneasiness and reported to his wife that he is still feeling uncomfortable with his body, and suddenly he collapsed at home, and immediately his gunmen and bodyguards shifted him to Vikram Hospital, and the Vikram Hospital told to the family members that they were 15 minutes late. As we speak now, you can see Puneet Rajkumar last journey towards the grave, where 6 feet grave has been dug for the famous actor who have a huge fan following across the country. People from across the world have expressed their mourning and sent out a condolence message to their family members, and now he'll be laid for rest forever in Kantirava studio.
As we have been seeing here, the final rituals are being performed by the family members of the late actor Puneet Rajkumar, who has definitely left the industry in a shock, and also the family members are completely running out of emotions. We have been seeing his daughter, who came from the US last evening. She was completely shattered after the news of her father, Puneet Rajkumar. Well, now, as you have been seeing, the family members are taking the mortal remains of the Puneet Rajkumar to the grave, and later he will be laid to rest after performing all the rituals. We earlier also saw that Puneet Rajkumar, the late actor, was given the state honor, and we have been seeing all the leaders of opposition, leaders from the government, like the Chief Minister of Karnataka, former Chief Minister of Karnataka, B.S. Yediyurappa, and also Chief Minister of Karnataka, Basmaraj Bommai, was here during the state honor, and now we have been seeing how this is how the rituals, the final rites are being performed. Well, definitely thousands of people waiting outside the studio to get the glimpse of the late actor, and since last 2 days also we have been seeing that the footfall at the Kantirava stadium was not less. Well, thousands of people coming from various districts, the nearby states, to get the glimpse of their favorite actor, who has been working for the people. Let it be throughout his childhood. He has worked in many of the films and won many national awards for his acting, during his acting career, and he has been working for the people, always there for the people, doing social work, and definitely it's a big loss for the film industry. As we have been seeing, many actors, many politicians, everyone has been expressing their shock over the demise of Puneet Rajkumar, and well, we have been seeing how much fan following Puneet Rajkumar was having. Throughout the past 2 days, we saw lakhs and lakhs of people coming, and just for the glimpse of the late actor. Well, yes, definitely it's a shock for the film industry. Definitely it's a shock for the film industry, and so expressing their shock. We saw many actors from the Tollywood industry as well, like let it be Chiranjeevi, Venkatesh, NTR Balakrishna, Prabhudeva, Allu Arjun, and many other actors from across the industries have been coming here to pay their last respects, last tribute to the actor Puneeth Rajkumar, and definitely a big loss to the industry.